Alright, hey guys, I'm here inside of this bathroom. I just went ahead and put in this new vanity and shelf. Back here, we got this drain that came out of the wall a little bit too much. So, what we needed to do is cut it. I went ahead and I cut it right over here. And then I got an 1.5 inches. I already primed it with your clear PVC primer. You're going to get the glue. So I already pre-primed it. After you get the glue, then you're going to glue it onto here. And then you're going to want to put a little bit of glue inside of this cap. You're going to put it on there, and you're going to push while you turn it. Hold it for a few minutes, a few seconds, and then release. And you got your extension on there. Once that is done, then you're going to get this little elbow part right here, and it is going to go straight into the hole. Then you're going to tie it on there into place. This J-bend will actually sit in there just like this, and that part will go into the wall. And that's how you reduce the PVC pipe that comes out of the wall. Any questions? Please let me know. Leave a comment. Have a good day.